So I just came back from my first 2 injections of Benlysta. It's been about, I would say about an hour or so now. I'm feeling fine. Everything is going okay. But I still have to monitor, of course, for any symptoms for the next few hours or 24 hours, and it may take a week. So we'll see how that goes. I'm hopeful this new treatment is going to work. Lupus out there, stay strong, and I'll be updating on how everything is going for the next few weeks. All love, thanks for the support. Love you guys. And my darling mom was right there with me to make sure everything goes well. Air hand sign. Still healing, lupus strong.